Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the "This experience is unavailable due to your account settings error" on Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the Roblox website and log into your account. Try opening a game to check if the error appears. If it does, go to your account settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner and selecting Settings. Next, open the Privacy tab. Look for Content Maturity and make sure it is turned to Moderate or higher. This setting limits the games you can join, so increasing it will help resolve the issue. Now, go to the Parental Controls section and check the Allowed Experiences settings. Select the appropriate age category based on your actual age. If prompted, verify your age using a valid ID. Once done, go back to Account Info and look for the Verify My Age option. Scan the profile barcode with your ID to complete verification. So that's basically how you can fix the "This experience is unavailable due to your account settings error" on Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.